Hello, so today we're going to be looking at numbers to 1000. It's a year 3 objective, and it'd be really useful to have a pencil and some paper to help with your annotations. There's also a support and extend exercise with Oak Academy after this. We've got an LBQ code, and you'll also have a worksheet that you can do on screen or print off. So the key vocabulary we'll use today: hundreds, tens, ones, and placeholder, and the success criteria is there. Because it's played on YouTube, please pause at any time to read any of the extra information. Okay, so we're going to start off with a quick starter, and I've got some numbers on the right hand side and some representations on the left hand side. In one moment, I'd like to press pause and I'd like to see if you can have a go at this starter. So please press pause now and try and match the numbers and the representations. Okay, so if we have a look at the first representation, we have got 4 bundles of sticks, and each bundle contains 10 sticks. So we've got 4 tens, and we've got 3 single sticks and 3 ones. So we've got 4 tens, 3 ones, and we're going to match it with the 43. The second example, we've got base 10 there, and we've got 5 tens and 4 ones, so we've got 54. And the third example is we've got 10 red circles, beads, and 4 white beads. So we've got 1 10 and 4 ones. And just click my answers to see that. Okay, so a thinking question now that you can write down and have a discussion at home if there's an adult with you. What is the same and what is the difference about the base 10 below? Okay, I'd like to pause now and see if you can explain the difference. Okay, so the first green example has 100 cubes, the yellow example has 10 cubes, and the red example has 1 cube. So we've got 100, 10, and 1. And we can see the relationship between all of those, so how they grow, and how they increase from your red 1 to your green 100. So some guided practice now. So we've got some representations and we have to write the number. So the first representation, we have got 3 of the green representations that we had on the last screen. So each one of these, as we spoke about before, is 100. So we've got 100, 200, and 300. I can quickly grab my pen and annotate over. So we have 300. Second example, we have a green 100. We have 3 tens, so we've got 10, 20, 30. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So we have 100, 30, and 5, 100, and 35. And I can press my answer button to show the answers on this. We have another example now. Okay, so I'd like to pause the screen and have a go at this. Okay, let's see how we got on. So our first example, we've got 100 and 100, so we have 200. Then we have 2 tens, so we have 220. And our example, we have 100 in green, and we have 3 ones, so we have 103. Okay, it's now your go, so I'm just going to move the image of me. I'd like to pause the screen and have a go at this example. Okay, so the first example is 500. The second example, we have 200, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 267. The third example, we have 450. And the last example, we have 308. Well done if you got those correct. Remember, at any point you can pause the screen. Okay, so this time we're going to be using base 10 to represent these following numbers. So we're given the number and we're going to use representations. So I'm just going to grab my pen. And we have 400. So 400, we're going to need 4 of the green examples, which are the 4 of the 100 squares. Now I'm going to draw squares for these to show this example. The next one, we've got 210, so we're going to need 200s and 110, and I'm just going to draw a stick like this for my 110. And the final example